Hey, what's up? Just doing a real quick video here. I'm probably at the beach while you're watching this, so don't break into my house or somebody might shoot you. Who knows? Anyway, so I've got some jalapenos that I just didn't know what else to do with, so I'm going to dehydrate them, but I don't have a dehydrator, so I'm going to use my oven. I've got these sliced up. I've also got a few little cayennes here too, and I've tried to get them just close to the same size so they would dry out pretty evenly. Got my oven set on 170. That's just as low as it'll go. And they're going to go for a couple of hours probably. And they'll get good and dried out. And what I'm going to do is run them through a blender and make like some powdery kind of consistency. And they're going to be like crushed pepper flake, but maybe a little bit finer than that. But anyway, I'm not worried about taking the seeds out or anything because I'm wanting this seasoning to be kind of hot. And I may save some of the seeds after they dry to plant my garden next year too. Anyway, we'll get this going. Okay, so those went for like maybe 5 hours or so on 170. It's just going to depend on how thick you slice it. So if you've got thinner slices, you probably don't have to go as long. If your oven won't go down to 170, you probably also won't go as long. But anyway, they got a lot darker, and the moisture got out of them because that's what happens when you dehydrate stuff, and so the flavor concentrates. The heat I don't feel like concentrated any because it's just water leaving, so you've got a lot better flavor than you would just raw jalapenos. Also, it doesn't have that raw flavor that peppers have either since they're cooked. But I've got those in there, and then I also saved a few seeds too. I'm going to try and plant them this winter, get them started so I can put plants down. But yeah, I just got this in a little blendy cup thing, and just gonna get them spinning around and cut up and all powdery and stuff. Alright, so I just got this pretty fine, as fine as I felt like getting it. You know, that's personal preference on how well you want things to mix in, but just transferred it to this old glass jar that used to have seasoning stuff in it. You can put it in a mason jar or anything that's pretty much airtight, and yeah, just use that in your cooking and stuff, and you've got great pepper flavor that you can use year round, not just when peppers are in season. So yeah, I know that you can do this with peppers. Obviously, I'm pretty sure you can do it with mushrooms. There's probably other stuff you can do it with. If you know of anything or you've done it, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, I guess. Thanks for clicking.